Here are some simple examples of product goals, sprint goals, and the relationship between them. We will stick with our bakery example, as used previously. Here are some things to note. Our bakery produces its baked goods, which are sold in our shop to passing customers. We already have the capability to deliver products inside London that are ordered from our store. We have one cross-functional Scrum team containing all the skills required, and we are looking back at the product goals and sprint goals that we used once they were all fulfilled or discarded. So this is a historical perspective. Firstly, our product vision for our new product that we are going to develop. This is our long-term strategic goal. The product goals and sprint goals that are defined will help us advance towards and hopefully achieve this vision. So our product vision is to be the leading online bakery in the UK. We want to deliver and develop an online capability. Firstly, our product goals. These are our intermediate goals, which will advance us towards the product vision. We will work on these in sequence, one at a time. The product goals beyond the current one are ideas only until the current product goal is fulfilled or discarded. They may change before or even as we work on them, as we shall see. So here are 3 example product goals that we used. Product goal 1, launch a website that allows sales to customers inside London. Product goal 2, expand production and delivery capability to allow sales to customers UK-wide. And product goal 3, expand our online presence via the Apple and Google Play app stores. So for each of these product goals, there would be a number of sprint goals to help us achieve them. So let's look at that. Our sprint goals, well, these are intermediate tactical goals which move us towards our product goal. The specific sprint goals may not be known or even planned ahead of time, or they may. But if they are planned in advance, they will likely change as we learn more. So if we go back to our first product goal, Product goal 1, launch a website that allows sales to customers inside London. Our first sprint goal here, sprint goal 1, is create a basic website structure. Sprint goal 2 is then to build a capability to list and purchase products using a credit card. From sprint goal 3 onwards, there would be many more sprint goals ultimately to help us achieve that product goal. And ultimately, we would have a sprint at some point where the goal was to launch the website and fulfill our first orders. At this point, product goal 1 will have been fulfilled, and it's time for a new product goal. So we would move on to product goal 2, which is expand our production and delivery capability to allow sales to customers UK-wide. Our first sprint goal to help us achieve this, sprint goal 1, may be to find UK-wide supply partners. Sprint goal 2 would be to review these potential partners and select 1 to 3 to start working with. From sprint 3 onwards, there would be as many more sprints and sprint goals as needed in order to meet our second product goal. Ultimately, we would hope to complete and achieve this product goal with a sprint where we would have a beta launch of a national capability, perhaps with invited customers only, and fulfill some first orders. At this point, product goal 2 would also have been fulfilled, and we would need a new product goal. Which brings us on to product goal 3, which is to expand our online presence via the Apple and Google Play app stores. So our first sprint goal towards this would be build the basic iOS app. The second sprint goal would be build the capability to list products inside the iOS app. And then from the third sprint onwards, there would be as many more sprints and sprint goals as needed to achieve the product goal. At some point, we have a sprint with a sprint goal, which would be to launch the app via the Apple App Store. So we're launching our Apple app. And perhaps after this happens, we discover that the costs of developing the app are higher than expected, and perhaps the benefits are lower than expected as well. And so a decision might be made to not develop the Google app at all and to not launch something in the Google Play App Store. As a result of this, product goal 3 may be abandoned at this point, and a new product goal would need to be created. So as you can see, the skills needed for product goal 1 to build a website and for product goal 2 to partner with people to source and deliver goods are quite different. We could potentially work on these two in parallel. If we did, the product goal we would use would then need to change and be broader to reflect the extra scope. In this case, the product goal could become launch the website and build the capability to supply to customers UK-wide. This approach may allow us to develop and release our product earlier. However, a risk is that this may reduce focus and transparency, which may lead to increased waste over time.